People who build financial freedom use these 5 strategies for passive income. Financial freedom isn't about working harder but making your money work smarter. The most successful wealth builders have cracked the code on passive income, developing multiple revenue streams that generate money while they sleep. Here are 5 proven strategies that can help you build lasting financial independence. 1. Transform your knowledge into digital gold. The digital product empire. The global digital product market has exploded to over $300 billion annually, with individual creators carving out profitable niches daily. The beauty of digital products lies in their infinite scalability. Create once, sell forever. Ebooks, online courses, software applications, and digital art represent the new frontier of passive wealth creation. Successful digital entrepreneurs start by identifying specific market gaps. For instance, some instructors have found success selling Excel courses on Udemy. Kyle Pugh, an Excel instructor on Udemy, reported earning over $1.3 million in total course sales as of 2021. However, earnings can vary significantly between instructors. The key is leveraging existing knowledge into valuable content. Ebooks can be published through Amazon KDP with minimal upfront costs, while platforms like Teachable and Podia make course creation accessible to anyone with expertise to share. Many successful KDP authors make $4,000 a month or more from their book royalties. Stock photo marketplaces like Shutterstock offer recurring royalties for those interested in visual content. Even non-developers can create profitable apps using no-code platforms like Bubble or AppyPie. The initial investment is primarily time, but the potential returns are unlimited. 2. Master the art of options. Strategic premium collection. Options trading doesn't have to be risky speculation. It can be a reliable income stream when approached strategically. Covered calls and cash-secured puts represent the conservative side of options trading, allowing investors to generate consistent premium income. A covered call strategy involves owning 100 shares of stock and selling call options against those shares. For example, holding 100 shares of a $50 stock and selling monthly calls might generate $100,200 in premium income per contract. Cash-secured puts work similarly but requires holding cash instead of shares. These strategies require careful stock selection, focusing on stable companies with good fundamentals. The ideal candidates are stocks you wouldn't mind owning long-term. While options trading requires education and a more extensive capital base, typically $5,000 $25,000 minimum, it can generate 1–2% monthly returns when appropriately managed. 3. Fixed income. Your steady stream in a volatile world. In today's higher interest rate environment, fixed income investments have regained their appeal as passive income generators. Corporate bonds currently offer yields between 4% and 7%, while government securities provide slightly lower but extremely safe returns. Bond laddering. Buying bonds with staggered maturity dates creates a steady income stream while managing interest rate risk. A $100,000 ladder of corporate bonds could generate $4,000 $6,000 annually in passive income. High-yield savings accounts and CDs offer rates above 4%, providing completely passive, FDIC-insured income. Municipal bonds add tax advantages to the mix, as their income is often exempt from federal and sometimes state taxes. While inflation must be considered, a diversified fixed income portfolio can provide reliable passive income with minimal monitoring required. 4. Power of patents and properties. Building your IP portfolio. Intellectual property represents one of the most potent forms of passive income, though it requires significant upfront investment. A successful patent can generate licensing fees for 20 years, while trademarks and copyrights can last even longer. Software patents mainly shine in today's digital economy. A well-designed software solution licensed to businesses can generate substantial recurring revenue. Filing costs for patents typically range from $5,000 to $15,000, but the potential returns can be exponential. Content creators can build copyright portfolios through books, music, or other creative works. Each piece of content becomes an asset, generating royalties for years. Trademark licensing for brands adds another layer of intellectual property income, which is valuable in franchising or merchandising. 5. Set it and forget it. Automated business ventures. Automated businesses combine traditional commerce with modern technology to create hands-off income streams. Vending machines placed in high-traffic locations can generate $300,500 monthly per machine after expenses. Modern machines accept cards and provide inventory tracking, minimizing management needs. Automated car washes represent a more significant investment but offer impressive returns. A well-located automatic car wash can generate $15,000 $50,000 monthly revenue. The key lies in location selection and maintaining modern equipment. Similarly, laundromats with card-operated machines and remote monitoring systems can produce steady income with minimal daily involvement. These businesses require more significant initial investments, typically $50,000 $500,000, but offer strong cash flow and can be managed remotely through technology. Regular maintenance and occasional upgrades are necessary, but daily operations require minimal oversight. Conclusion: building financial freedom through passive income requires careful strategy selection based on your available capital, time commitment, and expertise. Successful wealth builders often combine multiple approaches, starting small and reinvesting profits to build additional income streams. The key is taking action. Choose one strategy that aligns with your resources and goals, then expand as you gain experience and capital. With dedication and intelligent planning, these 5 strategies can help you achieve the financial independence you desire. To achieve the best results, consider consulting with financial professionals who can help tailor these strategies to your specific situation. You can also join communities of like-minded investors and entrepreneurs to share experiences and learn from others' successes and mistakes. Your path to financial freedom starts with the first step: choosing your initial passive income strategy and taking action today. Building financial freedom is a journey, not a race. By starting small, making strategic choices, and reinvesting wisely, you can turn your passive income dreams into reality. Remember, the best time to take action is now. Choose the strategy that aligns with your goals and take that first step toward lasting financial independence. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more insights on building wealth and financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.